Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll show you how to create a Telegram bot. Firstly, download Telegram from desktop.telegram.org. Open Telegram, then create an account if you haven't or log into your one. In the search bar, type BotFather and click on it. Just type /start and hit enter. Then type new bot to begin creating your new bot. Now, you need to set bot name and username. Just name it what users will see in the chat, and username must end with bot and use no spaces. After entering both, you'll receive a bot token like this. Save this token securely. Anyone with it can control your bot. If compromised, use /revoke in BotFather to get a new one. Now go to FlowXO and create an account. Click the green new button at the top right. Choose Telegram as the platform and enter your bot name and pass your token from BotFather. After connecting, you can now build flows to automate your bot interacts. Each flow starts with a trigger and adds action, and add logic rules to customize responses. Use FlowXO's documentation or contact their team at support@flowxo.com if stuck. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.